Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I'll show you guys how I paint some easy flowers. And at this point I had already started painting before my brother just came, my younger brother. He was like, why don't you just film this since you're painting it right now? And I was like, yeah, you're right. So I started filming at this point. That's why I did not see like when I put the other blue paint. And today I'm not going to like have a formal intro with my face and all, because I am very lazy and exhausted. It's like exam season. I've been having exams from last week non-stop, and I still have some next week, so I honestly don't have the time to dress up and do all of that. So yes, even though I'm done with like most of my major exams like physics, chemistry, economics, all I have left is like ICT practical and art. So there's not much left, but I'm still exhausted. I actually forgot to talk you guys through what I'm doing, so I just painted the background color, then I picked some colors for the flower. As you can see, I used a purplish reddish color and this light pink. I really like these colors. They're all from my jelly gouache set. The colors on that jelly gouache palette, they're just so vibrant and so beautiful. I just absolutely love it. I use it most of the times now. So like my white paint is almost finished. Even my black paint, I don't know if they sell like parts that, like extra parts, so in case like your white paint finishes, you can like buy it, but I don't know because it's almost finished. So next we just use a green color to paint some leaves that are not even connected to the flower. It doesn't make any sense at all, but it looks really cute. I really like it. I paint like many of these on like small cards, and then I like use them for decoration, like in my room or in my study area. The rest of the process is honestly very simple, as you guys have already seen. Just a few swoops here and there, and you have your flowers. They're not realistic and all, but if you look at them, you know they are flowers. Am I right? I think so, because like what else could they be? Like a bunch of swoops? I don't know. Okay, I just want to let you guys enjoy like the rest of the video with the nice song, I don't know, background music. But I still want to like rant about school, because I really want to like give you guys more content, but I can't because of school. It's honestly so stressful. Year 11 is so stressful. It just doesn't make any sense at all. Oh my goodness, I just can't wait to finish. I don't know how stressful college would be, but I hope it won't be as stressful as this. I don't know. You never know until you're like in the situation. Okay, I'll let you enjoy the rest. You guys, what is a painting without the highlights? This is exactly why my white paint finishes really fast, because highlights are so important. They make everything look way better. Like, everything just looks better. Like, you're going to see, like, from before now, the painting was looking very basic, but now it's like, top notch, took it a whole step up. It looks way better now. It's like, it's so pretty. And then now we just add some white paint, white sprinkles. So after the horrible ASMR experience, I sign on my artwork because I always do that. Just makes sense. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye. Come back next time, like and subscribe.